Watch out, make me come down, make me come down. The Dan them a come down, let them a come down. The Dan them a come down. And the Valley Dan them walk in the town, and when they come instead of them run the town. Jungle Dan them walk in the town, and when they come instead of them run the town. What the hell when ninja come down? Japanese talk run up and down. The Dan dog and talk of the town.
Adams, here is my gun that I use and shoot people down. Children are dying and people are crying. Why don't we put on our gun? Yes, it's a Ninja Man video.
What on it? Police, come here. Come here, police. Sit down. What's here? Yeah. I want to consume with the little spin barrel. You're sitting with the good old big like a pony. Adams, you don't like us and we don't like you. But that won't solve the problem. Adams, here is my gun. Take my AK and 16 and one. But leave my Beretta, I have got more.
Nah man, me no please. Me need to find the whole of this video. Or me have it and post piece of it. Me don't like how they wanna chop up. But it's nice still. Me hope you like it. Ninja different in man. Ninja call little constable and then Ninja say, oh, no, this too big for you. Come here, Adams. Big man. Moving forward.
Watch out, make me come down, make me come down. The Dan them a come down, let them a come down. The Dan them a come down. And the Valley Dan them walk in the town, and when they come instead of them run the town. Jungle Dan them walk in the town, and when they come instead of them run the town. What the hell when ninja come down? Japanese talk run up and down. The Dan dog and talk of the town. And I'm about that they know what the man and a van. And I'm about what do the mic say? What no man take time man it a man. We want to know what to the mic stand. It's a chip out, me say what a bam bam. Not tell it around there we come on man boy. That's what we say, that's what we can.
If you're a Ninja Man fan, what the fuck, whether you're a Ninja Man fan or not, comment free Ninja Man right now and like the video. Let's continue. Ninja Emily. This a clip here. We're supposed to have this a clip on this a channel around 3 times or 4 times right now. But guess what? It's never ever too much to watch. Emily.
I'm going to tell you the truth, you know. When I'm a bad man, you know, girlfriend.
Emily Crooks. Emily Crooks.
Emily, whatever. Anyway, when me I say Emily.
Are you clean?
Yeah?
Never smoke anything before you came this morning?
I smoke weed. You have a problem with that?
You smoke weed?
Yeah.
How you get it? Plant it?
A girl, you are a real informer, you know, man.
Emily. I have to keep correcting you. Where you
know, so you
plant
give
it?
answer like a union Keisha.
Eh? Your wife give you problems?
Anyway, when me I say, Emily.
Your wife give you problems?
You're too fast, Emily, man. I know that to come here to deal with.
That's
man.
why I'm a journalist. I ask the question.
I say, a man supposed to know likes you.
Yeah? That's very, very personal. We want to get back to the nitty-gritty.
So we want to get back going in me and Keisha life. You never know me and Keisha life personal, but you want to dig down in my one. Eh?
We're going to take a break. When
you better broke up.
Yo, Emily said we're going to take a break. What you mean? You want in the ninja life? When the man ready for jump in a field life now, you're ready for take a break. Yo, ninja come like say he know what time it is in the man. They can't grow ninja in the man. They can't grow the gargan man. Me know they gonna love the piece of video. Although we watch it 100 times already, we're gonna watch it again and laugh. This next video was one of the first videos me have on my channel. I think right now in a better quality, so me have to run it again. Ninja man. Thief in Ninja man.
Me have breadfruit, me have pear, me have banana, me have apple. This brother have mango.
So when you come at the man, you have to take the man things. You have so much things in your yard. And then you pick up me now. Right to get me in a problem now.
Listen, girlfriend, if you come for thief, you come for thief. You don't come for argue.
Me tell you say me come for thief with you Stephen Mango.
So where you come from?
Me didn't even know say the man Mango you come for thief.
Yo, I'm not talking now, because I don't know where you really left your yard come here for if you're not intent for thief.
Me not thieving nothing, me just accompany in case nothing, me can drive
you.
you.
In case what? In case what? We are telling about in case.
We don't talk to you.
Do nothing more than him losing mango them and him gonna have to bear it.
Listen, girlfriend, if you come for thief, you come for thief. Because Richie Stephen I go lose him mango, and when he can do about it, all he can do is bear it. Hey, him man play upon word. You recognize that? He gonna lose him mango, him have to bear it. Man a tree. Beer mango again. Cause mango tree, beer mango, right? Get it? Anyways, me know that funny, but I always part this up. Me don't know which performance, but it bad. Me not try to remember if me post it already, but whether or not, here is more Ninja man.
I'm being ninja, they say me run away, but me come back to me country. And at the airport, and not down at the place, they mom and leave. And me say papa, the place, me celebrate the people, them a crowd down me. Me give $10, $20, $30, $40. That's it. Goodbye. What's up? Hold on. Take it down, little kids. Listen to this. Watch this. 3 weeks ago, Tiger hopped up the place. Papa Sven has been running away. Admiral Bale is still strong. Josie Wayne has returned from England. Ninja Man has returned from New York. What today's gonna be? Watch it. Ninja Man for Champion Selection.
People don't want Ninja. People don't want ball for Ninja. A crowd need Ninja. The entire Ninja hot in a man. The old Ninja run dancehall already no man. If you don't have Ninja on your show don't make no sense. Anyways, run 1 minute left night, we are run it.
You know me, they don't want it. And they love Ninja Man. That's why we not living that free bullshit.
So we're living on free food ticket, not a money in my pocket. Pocket empty, where we are gonna do? Politician pass through. Hey, Ninja bad enough, a Ninja mad enough. You see a crowd real up, wicked and wild. Yo, I see where they gonna react when it gone free up this year. Hopefully, all being well. And I pray for you, Gargan. Yeah, Ninja Man for us. Comment free Ninja Man. That's it. Just comment free Ninja Man. Yeah, man. Anyways, yeah, man. Ninja Man a general, man. Ninja Man a original front teeth, gold teeth, blue tooth, Dan Gargan, man. If you don't like the video, just like the video, man. Just share it, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment. Comment free Ninja Man. Yeah, man. That's about it. Free Ninja Man. Stay safe. God bless.